Rolling blackouts are compromising the safety and health of retirement homes in Pretoria. At Huis Herfsblaar, frail residents need a constant supply of oxygen. Blackouts are giving them a virtual death sentence.
Incessant load shedding has hamstrung this retirement home. It's glaringly evident as this worker tries to sort out laundry in pitch darkness. Some of the residents here are old and frail. Others depend on oxygen tanks. Although backup oxygen supply is available for power outages, it comes with a high price tag. Rolling blackouts have increased the workload here. As one worker describes it, it's a nightmare.
It's dark in the shower room, as you could. Maybe you could go and see it's very dark, so we are afraid that they might just, it's wet on the floor, they might just slip and then fall, break a hip or something.
Residents here are afraid and frustrated. Rising anxiety levels impact their mental health.
We don't have any hot water because if it's 4 hours, we have little flasks. We are, some of us in the residents in this big building. So it is disconcerting, and we're just wondering whether it will ever become normal again.
Others worried that load shedding may cause retirement housing costs to rise.
It becomes a worry if your finances are starting to tell you that you are spending a lot of money that you didn't expect to spend. It's easy to fall if there's just maybe something in your way and you didn't see it.
Board members too worried about the future of the retirement home.
Your movement is limited, and other people, they take decisions for you where you must go and where you can't go.
Safety remains one of the biggest concerns, especially for those most vulnerable. The home also has a clinic that is laid low with load shedding. At night, the situation worsens.
It is dark and they don't have lighting, so they have to use a torch. Some of them are battled to get up, or they have to be helped up because of the carers must help them, and then they can't get up and they don't understand, and then they can fall out of the bed or they can trip. Some of the hazards is tripping hazards, and even when they are walking or they are in the lift and load shedding happens, then the lift goes dark for a while and then it comes on again, which puts them in shock.
Load shedding has also had a serious financial impact on the retirement home.
It does put a lot of pressure on the retirement village. The first one is diesel. We've got 300 kVA generators running here, and the 300 kVA generators year to date, our financial year started on the 1st of March, and year to date we spent in the vicinity of 85,000 Rand on diesel, and by the end of the financial year we will be at about 140,000 if it carries on the way it's going on now. Apart from that, we are also a large power user, so we pay maximum demand tariffs, and when it's maximum demand, when the load shedding goes off and on, then the maximum demand peaks, and we are paying tariffs for Eskom or for Tshwane switching us off.
Huis Herfsblaar is one of many retirement and old age homes countrywide buckling under pressure of constant load shedding. They want government to provide emergency power to retirement homes to stave off rampant power outages. Patricia Fasagi, SABC News in Pretoria.